Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to create and manage virtual metering points in the metering point management. In a virtual metering point you can combine various GridVis elements such as UMGs, data imports, Modbus devices and other virtual metering points. The virtual metering point automatically adds and subtracts energy consumption, currents and power values. You can create and manage virtual metering points in the metering point management. Open the metering point management in the navigation menu. First, select the project in which you want to save your virtual metering point. Then create a new virtual metering point. Select a fallback value for absent data. You can either leave it empty or fill it with 0. This will later affect the calculation of the average value and the visualization, for example on dashboards. You can make further adjustments in the advanced settings. Then add elements to the virtual metering point. You can only add elements from the same project. All virtual metering points created for the selected project are displayed on the left in the metering point management. You can use the search function to search for virtual metering points or for elements contained in the virtual metering point. On the right, you can see the currently selected virtual metering point. You can also edit the virtual metering point later and add or remove elements. In the Calculation Mode column, select whether a device should be added or subtracted. Simply click on the plus or minus symbol. The selection fields above the table can be used to adjust the time period for the historical values and to select values and phases. This selection only applies to the current view. It has no effect on the configuration of the virtual metering point or its use in other applications such as dashboards or reports. The selection is reset when the page is reloaded. Devices can record values at different recording densities. Device 1 records values at 10-minute intervals, for example, and Device 2 at 15-minute intervals. If these two devices are added to a virtual metering point, the virtual metering point uses the lowest common multiple as the recording density. In this case, 30 minutes. Time differences and shifts in the record are also calculated accordingly. You can integrate virtual metering points like other devices on dashboards and reports for visualization. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.